Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to use your File Sync tool to share and access your files from anywhere, including your mobile devices. To get started, find the email that has your username, password, and the URL where you can access your files and folders online. You're also going to see some links to applications that help you access your files from different devices. I'm going to go ahead and go to the URL that was provided for me and log in. Once I've logged in, I'll be presented with an interface that allows me to upload files, create folders, share files, and, on certain instances, back up the files on my computer. So as you can see, I have no files or folders currently uploaded. Let's fix that. I'm going to go ahead and find a file to upload, in this case a PDF, and as you can see, it's now in my cloud storage. I can simply download this file by right-clicking and pushing download. I might have a variety of other options available to me also, including the ability to view the revisions for changes that I've made on that file, the ability to see the activity related to a file, the ability to rename, move, and the ability to share the file. For example, I can share this with a colleague, set an expiration date for how long that share link should be available, and even append a message. If I choose to send unique link to each person, then each person that I've specified as a recipient will receive a unique link that I can invalidate on demand. So my recipients will receive this link, and they'll have the ability to download the file from the web in any case. I can also create a folder, upload files to it, and share that folder in its entirety. Once I've created a share, I can monitor them from the Shares tab. I can see which users I have shared the file with, how many times they've viewed, and how many times they've downloaded that link. I also have a direct pointer to that link in case I want to copy it and share it in the future. And because I chose Unique Share Link, I can disable the link for any of these individual users at my leisure. You may have the Backups feature enabled, which will allow you to create a backup if you have a client installed on your machine. And then you'll also be able to see the activity log, where you can track which files were deleted, added, and shared at any given time. You can delete a file from this interface at any time by right-clicking and simply clicking Delete File. When a file is deleted, it isn't really deleted. It's simply flagged as deleted in case you want to restore it in the future. If you'd like to permanently delete a file, simply right-click the file again after it's been deleted and click Permanently Delete. I'm going to go ahead and restore all deleted files in this folder. And now I'm going to install the client so that you can see the sync action at work. You can download the client by clicking the download button in the top right-hand corner. You'll then get a list of all the different sync applications that are available to you. We have clients available for Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS. I'm going to download the Windows agent for this computer. And now that my download is done, I'm going to find the executable and run it. I'm going to quickly go through the installation. And once the installation is complete, I'm going to be prompted to register my client. I'm going to use the same credentials that were provided to me in my email. I'm going to choose a typical installation, which creates a sync folder in my users folder. And I'm going to say, yes, open the sync folder when finished. As you can see, I now have my synced folder open, and it's within my users directory. And you can see that the files and folders that I uploaded previously have synced down to this machine. Any files that I add or any changes that I make will be automatically synced up to my online storage. So for example, I just added this text.txt file. I'm going to make a change, and I'm going to push save. When I go on the web, I can now see my text.txt file has been uploaded, and if I click to view the revisions, I can see the first change I made, which had no content in it, and I can see the second change I made, where it had the line I typed. Your changes will be captured for every update you make. If I delete a file from this folder, it gets deleted from my operating system, but if I go online, I can see that the file is in fact still there, and I can restore it as needed. I can also right-click a file, generate a share link right from Windows. This folder makes it easy for me to add files to my online storage and to share files with anybody I'd like. Now that I have my client installed, I can also create backups. If this feature is enabled, you can simply go to the Backups tab, click Create a Backup, choose the folder that I would like to back up, and push Save. Now, under my Backups tab, I can see the folder that I've backed up, the date it was created, and if I go to my computer, I can see that this Intel folder now has a green check mark, and any files that were in there will be backed up. So I'm going to go ahead and browse into that C Intel folder, and as you can see, the logs folder that was in there is backed up, along with any of the files that were associated with that. Any files that you add here will also be available from your mobile device. You can simply download the mobile app that you would like to use, log in using your same credentials, and you'll be able to access your files from your mobile devices. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.